Hi, welcome back to this section, the select function. Now, in the last section, in the last class, we basically looked at the select function. In this class, we will just take a little bit of modification to what we already know. So what we already know is we can select different columns from a data set using the select function, right? However, at times we do not, when we pull the data, we can see like it comes with the names of the columns. But maybe we do not want to name this column. Maybe we want to rename the column. So in this case, when we use the select function, we will add an extra function called the as function. And then in this case, we will, for every column we would like to rename, then we put an as function to it and put the name. Just like this. So this is provider type, but maybe we would like to call it provider. So we put it as provider. And this is the place of service, but maybe we would like to call it department. So so we put an as, and then we can call it department. And also this is HCPCS code, but maybe we would like to call it code. So we put it as, and then we call it code. So, and we have the line of service count, but here maybe we would like to call it the count. So we put it as count. And then we run. So here you notice like the name of the column has basically changed based on what we want and not based on what is already in the data set. This is another very important point in using the select function. Also, another way to use the as function, you could decide to remove the as actually and just put a space, and then you would achieve the same thing as using the as function. So here, when we run the query, it basically provides us the same query with the new names of the columns, just as though we just as if we basically had put the as function. This is all for this class. In the next class, we will be looking at another very another important trick in the line of select function. Thank you.